Hey everybody, excuse my mess. I was outside painting plein air today. I am part of an exhibit thing coming up online. I'll post it when I've finished the paintings. I've got a couple of days to do some paintings outdoors. And I wanted to just make a few announcements. So I posted a video today of my failed resin coasters. So what I did was I waited way too long because I was trying to get this effect, which I've had several orders on, and these are sold, but you have to get it to a certain point where the resin has started to really react and it's starting to warm up. Well, it got too hot and it was almost burning my hands through the bag, the piping bag that I had my white in. So I showed it because I wanted to make sure that everybody is aware that anybody with loads of experience or people like me who don't have a lot of experience with resin can always screw up and make mistakes. But my advice to you is to never ever give up. So if you watch the video, I had clear resin and I piped white resin into it to get this effect. So these were the ones I did later. They worked perfectly. And I had waited too long for the resin. It had heated up super hot and it pretty much turned to like plastic inside of the clear resin. So I was able to scoop it out with my craft stick and salvage it. And I'll be posting the video tomorrow, but I'm putting this one out right away. I made beautiful, beautiful coasters. So here's 4 of these that are hand painted, and then they have resin on top. So they're all sealed in. And I had 2 that were bluish that I was going to do white petals in, and that didn't work, as you can see. So they're hand painted. Those are available, as are the 4 that I showed you. And then like I made these with color art primary elements, and they're kind of deep and vivid, and not sure, I might embellish these, I'm not really sure. Okay. And I also wanted to mention I had a pillow giveaway, and that went to Jim Sterling, who won that. And I made that announcement in the Facebook group, even though I don't know him on Facebook. He just registered through the contest on my website. He won the pillow cover for the draped flowers. But if anybody else wants one, just contact me, or if you want to print, contact me. And I think they're maybe even on my website in the shop. Okay, so that was the winner. And then I'm near 74,000, but when I hit 75,000, I am going to give away a free painting of your choice to one lucky winner on YouTube. And I wanted to make sure to announce that. Share with your friends so we can get those subscribers in. Help me boost my channel. And let me give away a free painting. And it can be one that exists or one that I create specifically for the winner. But it'll be $150 value. And look at this beauty. It's so pretty. It's sold. And the person that bought it is moving into a new house. So I'm just holding on to it until she gets moved in another week or so. So then I'll be shipping it out. But the big announcement is on my Facebook group, which is in the link below the video. If you're looking at this on YouTube, go join my Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook, ask one of your friends to join the Facebook group for you. And it's a contest in my Facebook group that Counterculture is doing. It ends at 11:59 p.m. Sunday night, October 11th. And they're giving away 3 lucky winners are getting 32 ounces, which will be 2 bottles this size of the artist resin. which is beautiful, and that's what I use on all my coasters and absolutely love it. This is what the label looks like. It's got yellows and greens, but it's medium viscosity, so it's a little bit thicker and not as runny. And I love it, love it, love it. I'm using the heck out of it. So you have to go to my Facebook group, click on the link, which is at the top of the Facebook group in the announcements. It's pinned to the top. Or go to the announcement section. It'll be the first announcement there. And there is a link to go and you fill out your name and email for Counterculture, because they're doing the giveaway through my Facebook group. And if you register, you will have a chance, 3 winners, to win 32 ounces of free resin. And it is so worth it. If you're looking to try out a resin and haven't found one you like, this is by far my absolute favorite. It's heat resistant up to 500 degrees. It has a beautiful crystal clear finish. If you just want it clear, it does beautifully with mica powders and glitter and all that fun stuff. I've had a blast creating with it. So please, please, please look for the announcements at the top of my Facebook group and make sure to join for the giveaway. Also, if you're in the YouTube land, go to Facebook, link below the video. I'll make sure it's near the top. Come to my Facebook group and join and try to win some resin. So y'all have a great evening. I love you all. See you next time. And I'll be posting the video of how I did these just really quick tomorrow, the embellishing. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.